Assalamu alaikum, LGS students. I hope you are all fine, feeling well. Our subject is computer. I'm your teacher, Fahad Rasool, and it's a grade 8 metric computer topic. The topic one is command and statement. Now, what is the difference between command and statement, and what do you mean by command and statement? Basically, first thing is command or the instruction given to the computer to perform a specific task. Like I give command to the computer, like kindly do the mathematical operations, like 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, like this. So I'm giving the command to the computer to perform the specific task. And same like that, the statement, on the other hand, we have this statement. Statements are given to the computer in form of program to perform a specified task. I want, in computer language, I want this computer to print, like as you have seen the command and statement, and I have given the statement, in programming language we have to write some sort of command or line, like cout. In C++ we have a programming language, the name is C++. In that we have to write cout, then we have to give the less than sign, and then inverted commas, and to print. So I'm giving this statement to perform the specified task. So that is the difference between the command and statement. That in command we give a command to the computer to perform some type of task, and in a statement we give a statement, we write some line to perform some task, to execute some this type of command task. The next one is constant and variable. The difference between constant and variable is constant is a quantity whose value does not change during the execution of a program, while a variable is a symbol or name which contains some quantity termed as values. The values changes during the program execution. Variable give meaningful names to constant. So in constant there is a quantity whose value does not change, like a is equal to 10, so its value will not change during the execution of a program, while in terms of variable, so its value might change in computer, in programming, like 1 plus 2 is equal to. So I've given the variable, and now its value will change. At some point its value will change during the execution of the program. So that is the difference between constant and variable. Now our topic 3 is syntax and logical error. What is the difference between syntax and logical error? Basically, syntax error occurs when the instruction written in the program do not follow the rules of the programming language. I've written some line and it's not following the rules. Like in if statement, as we did the practical in week 15 or 16, like we have to perform the task through if command. Okay, so in if command we have to write if, then bracket, and then we have to write all the values. So if I write bracket, then if, and then the values, so it means there is a error. I have to start the bracket after if. Okay, first I have to write if, then bracket, then the constant variables and everything. So if I write bracket if, so it means I'm not following the rules, so it might create some error. That is called the logical syntax error. And in the logical error basically occurs when in terms of resulting in wrong answer due to programmer's own logical mistake. Suppose I want to perform a task like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5, and I mistakenly have write minus 6. So when the result comes, the result will not come perfectly. So what is it? that is the logical error, that it is the mistake of a programmer, that I might commit a mistake in some line, so due to that there is a logical error. Logical error basically occurs due to the mistake of the programmer. Okay, so the last topic, that is direct and indirect mode. Basically, direct mode or compiler mode. Compiler mode is the one in which we get our result. Okay, direct mode or the compiler mode is a default mode in GW Basic, which executes the command instantly as soon as the key is pressed. Basically, the direct mode is the one in which we execute the command, and as soon as we enter is pressed, commands are entered in the mode without line number. Okay, so it will show us the result, and we will get our result through that, and it is the compiler mode in which we will get our results. And on the other hand, we have indirect or program mode. Program mode is the one in which we are writing the program. Okay, in which we are writing the program is the mode in which programs are written and execute with an explicit run or F2 command. Means we have written all the commands, and now we are in the state of the programming programs. So for that, to execute that, we have to write the run command or F2 command to execute the program. Direct mode is the one in which we will get result, and indirect mode is the one in which we will write all the instructions, and then we will go for the direct mode. We will go for the result mode. Okay, so these are the 4 topics, and after that your chapter is almost completed, but there is some additional questions which I will give you as the assignment in next week. And if you've got any type of query, you can ask your teacher, your coordinator, and I will answer in the next class. All right, thank you so much.